For the first time, Uriage achieves B Corp certification. Born in the French Alps, where our repairing thermal water emerges from the source, our commitment is shaped by this unique environment. For more than 30 years, we have combined the power of our unique repairing thermal water with the most advanced skin health expertise to restore all skin, even the most sensitive. At the heart of this expertise lies the commitment of our teams and partners, driven by a shared commitment to continuous improvement, integrating more sustainable practices, from product development to responsible water management at the Uriage Therapeutic Thermal Center. We are proud to be B Corp certified, reflecting our commitment to caring for people, patients, and the planet with transparency and responsibility.